Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This time, I will show you how I traded with a capital of $200 and managed to turn it into $5,000 in a short time. Without further ado, let's get started. Before that, I would like to inform you that I am currently trading on the Pocket Option platform. If you are interested in trying trading on Pocket Option, check the link in the video description, okay? Now let's move on to trading. Here, I am using the original version of the cross signal C3. I use 1-minute duration signals according to the expiration time of the trades I apply, and now I do buy according to the signal given by the cross signal C3 bot. Now, I will give you the reasons why I always use this tool for trading. The first reason, high accuracy. This bot is able to provide signals with a consistent success rate, so it can help minimize false signals and increase the probability of profit. Secondly, execution speed. Since it is specifically designed for short-term trading, cross-signal C3 sends buy or sell signals in real time within seconds. Next, this bot is easy to use. The bot's simple interface makes it friendly for both beginners and experienced traders. With just one click, the signal is ready to be executed. And this is another important reason about support and regular updates. The development team actively provides feature updates and bug fixes and provides technical support if there are any problems. If you are interested in experiencing the benefits of cross-signal C3, don't wait any longer. Download the bot now and start trading with more confidence. Please check the description to download. Okay, guys, so you can see how this bot works properly. I suggest you watch this video until the end. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Hopefully, the information I share is useful and helps you in trading. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos. If you are interested in trying the cross-signal C3 bot, check the link in the description. See you in the next video, and good luck in trading.